Have you ever felt that sudden spike where your heart just starts racing and your chest feels tight and your mind is spinning? We've all been there, and we all know that being told, just calm down, usually isn't very helpful. Today, I want to show you how to actually signal your body to relax. I've spent years practicing biofeedback and have actually sat in front of monitors watching the magic happen. I've witnessed the heart rate begin to drop the very second someone hits a long, slow exhale. It's not just a feeling, it's biology. And it all comes down to your vagus nerve. Think of it as your body's built-in brake pedal. The very first way to tap that brake is a long exhale. The secret's pretty simple. So your heart rate, it naturally speeds up when you inhale, and it slows when you exhale. So by making the exhale longer than the inhale, you're literally signaling your heart to slow its pace. So let's try this for 3 rounds. We're going to inhale for 4 seconds and we're going to exhale for 6 seconds. And just notice any tiny shifts, whether it's your shoulders dropping or your jaw softening or your thoughts slowing down. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start with inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now, notice how that longer exhale can feel calming after just 3 breaths. I've created a separate video with a guided breathing pacer that's longer. It's 10 minutes of guided longer exhales that you can play anytime that you need to help your nervous system settle. Okay, so next I want to share something that can also be a real game changer, and it's humming. It creates a physical vibration that massages the vagus nerve, which goes down both sides of your throat. I found this beautiful resource that guides the humming for you. So you can just relax into the sound and we'll just follow it together for 3 hums. Since learning the science behind this, I've noticed my younger daughter and my mom humming quite often. It's like they instinctively found a way to soothe themselves. And now finally, if you're feeling really overwhelmed, you can trigger the dive response. When cold water hits your face, whether it's a splash at the sink or a cold, damp washcloth that's pressed to your eyes, your brain thinks you're diving underwater. It triggers a reflex to conserve energy, which helps bring your heart rate down. There's also this really cool gadget that my older daughter introduced me to, this ice roller. And she said that she loves how it soothes her, and especially when she's stressed. You can keep it in the fridge or in the freezer, depending on how cold you want it. And it's a great way to get that cold reset without the mess of splashing water, because you just roll it wherever you want on your face. Just a quick note though, if you have heart or circulation issues, please check with your doctor before using these stronger cold water methods. These aren't just tips, they're actual physical tools, and I would love to hear your experience. Comment and let me know which one felt best for you. Was it the breathing, the long exhales, the humming, or cold water? hit subscribe, and let's keep figuring out this being human thing together. And I want to thank you so much for joining us. I am so glad that you're here.